Hello there guys, welcome back to another short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics. What I would like to do today guys is show you the best way to create beams of light within Adobe Photoshop. Show you the step-by-step process that you need to take to really create their realism of the light beam. As you see, I've got an example in front of us here of this light beam coming off this lighthouse on this cliff. Okay, so on another tab, I have the original image open up for us here, okay? And the first thing I would like to do is I really want to sort of bring down the look. Let's make it a little bit more darker. So I'm going to come to my adjustment layers and our layers window here, and I would like to use exposure. And what I'm going to do is affect the gamma correction here just a tad, like so. Really making it dark now. Okay, wonderful. So let's go back to our layers here, like so. I'm just going to add a new layer and I'm just going to simply create a selection like so. And within this selection, what I'd like to do is apply a gradient. What I've done is I've chosen one of the basic gradients here, white with the opacity be taken out on the other stop. So if I come over now and create my gradient like so. So I'm going to use the shortcut Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows to deselect. And then what I would like to do is distort it and transform it. So what I need to do is press Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows. Then if I go right click on it, I can distort. So I'm just going to distort the light beam to suit the direction there quickly. Bear with me. Okay, fantastic. So there's the original light beam there, right? But we need to improve it a little bit more. What I'm going to do is is make sure this image is a smart object. So I'm going to right click on the layer and convert it to a smart object. The reason being is I want to now apply a blur. So if I want to manipulate that blur, because it's a smart object, I'll be able to go back and change and edit whenever I want. So I'm simply going to go to Filter, Blur, and the blur I want to be using is Gaussian blur. Okay, wonderful. Let's say we'll raise the radius to about 15. Okay, really looking realistic now. Now what I want to do is create a little sort of another inner beam within the main beam. So I'm going to duplicate this whole layer. The shortcut to do that is Command J on Mac or Control J on Windows. Fantastic. I just want to make it a little bit smaller, so I'm going to press Command T. And we're going to come through here. And we're just going to make this a little bit smaller. There we go. And let's move that into place there, like so. Okay. And with that blur there, as you can see, because I've got a smart object, it's applied a smart filter. So I'm going to click on that and I'll bring the blur down to probably around 10, the radius. Okay. And there you have it, guys. As simple as that. That is how we create correct beams of light with Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please don't hesitate in visiting our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Take a look at our Instagram as well, Blue Sky Graphics UK. There's some really cool stuff on there by our talented students. And every week, guys, there's new tutorials that come out ranging from Photoshop all the way through to InDesign. So take a look, some really interesting and cool videos on there for you. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.